Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Thai ebook before it's gone.
คุณถูกแล้ว you were right or you are right คุณถูกแล้ว meaning you were right or you are right you say this phrase when someone do something right or correctly and then you want to say oh you have done it right you have done it correctly so you said คุณถูกแล้ว คุณทำกับข้าวอร่อยมาก you are an excellent cook คุณทำกับข้าวอร่อยมาก if you have been to any restaurant or if you have a girlfriend a boyfriend who cook for you and you want to compliment them make them feel good like regardless whether the food is good or not you can say this word to them คุณทำกับข้าวอร่อยมาก ฉันคิดถึงคุณ I miss you ฉันคิดถึงคุณ meaning I miss you you say that a lot like you can say that to everyone you love or you want to make the sentence softer you put the word นะ at the end for example ฉันคิดถึงคุณนะ ฉันคิดถึงคุณนะ or you want to make it more polite you can say ฉันคิดถึงคุณนะคะ or ฉันคิดถึงคุณนะครับ ฉันซื้ออะไรพิเศษมาให้คุณด้วย I bought you something special so like for a special occasion like Christmas or Valentine's Day or New Year and you have bought something for your special ones you can use this phrase ฉันซื้ออะไรพิเศษมาให้คุณด้วยทำได้ดีมาก you did a great job ทำได้ดีมาก so this is a way to compliment someone for example if you were a teacher and your students have done well in exam you could say this phrase ทำได้ดีมาก you have done well you did a great job ปลายเดือนจะมีโบนัส There'll be a bonus at the end of the month ปลายเดือนจะมีโบนัส This phrase I like it for Thai companies normally we don't give bonus at the end of the month normally we give it out at the end of the year so rather than saying at the end of the month you can change it to at the end of the year so in Thai it would be ปลายปีนี้จะมีโบนัส ปลายปีนี้จะมีโบนัส so maybe this makes sense instead in Thailand พักผ่อนเถอะ วันนี้ฉันทำความสะอาดเอง take a break I'll do the cleaning today I wish someone said this to me sometimes I have to be the one cleaning for myself which is okay if you want to impress I don't know like your parents your father mother your boyfriend by cleaning a room for them cleaning a house you can say this to them พักผ่อนเถอะวันนี้ฉันจะทำความสะอาดเองมีงบไม่จำกัด the budget is unlimited if you work for a company like if you got assigned to buy something or to come up with some project and your boss might say okay just do it like the budget is unlimited มีงบไม่จำกัดวันนี้คุณดูดี You look great today. I love this phrase. We love to hear people compliment you, like how you dress up, right? I mean, like, yeah, you dress well. You look great today. วันนี้คุณดูดีมาก Then will make us very happy. So, yeah. คุณคือผู้ชนะ You are the winner. คุณคือผู้ชนะ Meaning, and you're the winner. So informally, you say คุณคือคนชนะ. So either คุณคือผู้ชนะ or คุณคือคนชนะ so you're the winner congratulations ก็บอกแล้ว I told you so ก็บอกแล้วใช่ปะ so it means I told you so right quite scary I know it's not polite so when you use it make sure that the person is very very close to you and they are willing to forgive you if you say that okay ขอบคุณที่สนใจสมัครงานกับเราแต่ตำแหน่งงานเต็มแล้ว Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. Things that you expect to hear when you submit a CV or resume, right? I mean, that's disappointing. ขอโทษ ฉันลืม Sorry, I forgot. You can use it when you forgot something or you forgot to do something. Like if a person like your mother asked you to clean a house and you forgot to do it so you can say this to her like ขอโทษฉันลืม or ขอโทษผมลืม for guys คุณถูกไล่ออก you are fired คุณถูกไล่ออก luckily I have not had this experience luckily so behave well don't do something bad คุณมีผมขาว you have a gray hair it's not a good phrase that you want to hear คุณมีผมขาว ช่วงนี้อ้วนขึ้นหรือเปล่า have you gained weight recently ช่วงนี้อ้วนขึ้นหรือเปล่า local Thais I mean if you're foreigners maybe you won't be experiencing this but for Thai when they meet each other like let's say like after a while they meet each other again like they will comment about each other's appearance like have you gained weight are you getting fatter or are you getting like slimmer like I don't know why too it's just the way that we say things to each other without any bad intention วันนี้ไม่มีตังค์ I don't have your money today วันนี้ไม่มีตังค์ I don't encourage you to say this sentence because like if you borrow someone money you need to pay them back right I mean yeah you shouldn't say it at all you should borrow someone just return it as soon as possible เธอดีเกินไป it's not you it is me เธอดีเกินไป you need to find excuse so this is one perfect excuse to say so when you hear that you know that the person doesn't want to be with you already sorry if you hear that before but yeah at least they don't want to hurt your feelings so they choose this phrase that's a good part though เราน่าจะลองไปเจอใครใหม่ๆดูบ้าง we should see other people เราน่าจะลองไปเจอใครใหม่ๆดูบ้าง not the good feeling at all ขอยืมเงินหน่อย or ขอยืมตังค์หน่อย can I borrow your money ขอยืมตังค์หน่อย ขอยืมตังค์หน่อย or ขอยืมเงินหน่อย if they are like good friends of yours then it's fine but sometimes people just want to borrow you money but you don't want to คุณไม่ค่อยฉลาดเลย you're not very smart คุณไม่ค่อยฉลาดเลย you're not very smart cruel words คุณไม่มีทางจะประสบความสำเร็จ you will never succeed คุณไม่มีทางจะประสบความสำเร็จ even though they said don't be discouraged by like these words then you will succeed that's what I believe ฉันถูกคุณผิด I'm right and you are wrong normally I don't say this but when I get angry I say this anyway I'm right you're wrong ฉันถูกคุณผิดฉันรู้ทุกอย่าง I know everything ฉันรู้ทุกอย่าง I know everything do you know everything I don't think anyone will know everything ฉันไม่จำเป็นต้องเรียนรู้อะไรอีกแล้ว I don't need to learn anything anymore ฉันไม่จำเป็นต้องเรียนรู้อะไรอีกแล้ว I don't need to learn anything anymore I don't think that they don't need to learn anything anymore I think they have to learn a lot seriously ฉันไม่ต้องการคำแนะนำจากคุณ I don't need your advice ฉันไม่ต้องการคำแนะนำจากคุณ I don't need your advice whether the advice is good or bad like for me I strongly believe that you just listen to it first if it's useful then you make use of it if it doesn't then just ignore like you don't have to say like I don't need your advice that's not nice มันยากไปอย่าคิดจะลองเลย it's too hard don't even try มันยากไปอย่าคิดจะลองเลย it's too hard don't even try even though people say it just do it just ignore all the bad commentsเราทำแบบนั้นไม่ได้ we can't do that เราทำแบบนั้นไม่ได้ we can't do that don't say this to yourself if you can't do it just try to do it you have to try if you want to do something แค่ทำตามที่ฉันบอก just do what I say แค่ทำตามที่ฉันบอก just do what I say people who use this sentence maybe a bit too bossy so they just want people to follow what they are doing don't think just do what I say but for me I think it's fine Sometimes you just want to do what other people say. Okay, done. Okay, guys, we are done for today. Thank you for watching. Today we have done 9 phrases that make you look like a fool. I hope you have fun today. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.